Hello students, in the last session we learned about electrons. Now in this session we will learn about protons. What is a proton? We have already seen that proton is a particle present in the center of an atom. This proton will have positive charge. So now let us learn something about protons. At first, hydrogen is considered as a fundamental particle that is present in all the elements. So they first called hydrogen as proton because the word proton means first in Greek. So proton is a Greek word which means first. So later, after several experiments, they found that proton is the particle present in all the elements and hydrogen is an atom that contains only one proton. So each and every element will have a unique number of protons. So number of protons will not be same in all the elements. For example, hydrogen has only one proton and helium has two protons. Lithium has three protons. So the number of protons will be different for each and every element. So if the number of proton is increased, then the atom will make a new element, but it is not possible to remove a proton or add a proton. But due to technological advancements, we can now add or remove a proton, and this is called a nuclear reaction. But electrons can be removed or added to an atom according to the property of that atom. Some atoms readily accept electrons and some atoms will readily lose electrons. If an atom gives out an electron, then the number of electrons and number of protons in the atom will not be same. So the atom will get a charge. That is, if the negatively charged particle electron is loosed, then that atom will be called as an cation. That is a positively charged ion. If an atom accepts an electron and becomes more negatively charged, then that atom will be called as anion. Students, we will make a small experiment in the next session. Thank you.